10 construction site mistakes we see everywhere. Every construction site has its own story, but some mistakes keep repeating again and again. From poor rebar placement to ignoring safety basics, these small errors can lead to big problems later. In this video, we'll go through 10 common execution mistakes you'll see in almost every job site, and most importantly, how to avoid them. Let's make our site safer, smarter, and stronger. Mistake number 1, wrong rebar placement. Improper spacing or incorrect positioning of rebars is one of the most common issues. Sometimes workers bend bars too much, overlap too short, or forget the cover distance. Result: weak concrete and corrosion risk. Always check your rebar drawings, use proper spacers, and maintain at least 25-40 millimeters of concrete cover, depending on exposure. Mistake number 2, poor formwork alignment. When formwork isn't aligned or fixed tightly, concrete leaks out, or walls go out of plumb. Once you remove the forms, it's too late. Before pouring, always inspect alignment, verticality, and bracing. A quick laser or plumb bob check can save hours of repair later. Mistake number 3, improper concrete vibration. Too little vibration leaves air pockets, too much causes segregation. Both reduce strength and durability. Move the vibrator slowly, overlap insertion zones, and never drag it through rebar. Mistake number 4, missing curing process. Curing is not optional. Skipping or shortening curing leads to cracks, dusting, and loss of up to 40% of design strength. Keep concrete moist for at least 7 days. Cover it with wet burlap or curing compound. Mistake number 5, unanchored scaffolding and ladders. You'd be shocked how often scaffolds are just standing there, unsecured. That's a recipe for disaster. Always tie scaffolding to a stable structure and inspect all joints and platforms before climbing. Safety first always. Mistake number 6, bad welding or loose bolts. In steel structures, poor weld quality or under-torqued bolts cause serious safety risks. Use certified welders, check bolt tension with calibrated wrenches, and visually inspect all connections. Mistake number 7, ignoring level and alignment checks. Even a few millimeters off can cause big issues when connecting beams or installing finishes. Make leveling checks part of your daily routine, not just at the end of the job. Mistake number 8, no drainage or waterproofing consideration. Neglecting drainage details during execution leads to water leaks, damp walls, and foundation damage. Always slope roofs and balconies, use proper membranes, and test water flow before final finishes. Mistake number 9, cutting structural members for MEP. Plumbers or electricians sometimes cut beams or slabs for pipes and ducts, a structural nightmare. Coordinate early with MEP teams and never allow unapproved openings in structural elements. Mistake number 10, ignoring site cleanliness and material storage. A messy site is an unsafe site. Materials left on walkways cause accidents and damage. Keep materials organized, paths clear, and store cement and steel off the ground, covered from moisture. Mistakes happen, but smart teams learn from them. By spotting these 10 common errors early, you'll save time, money, and maybe even lives. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real-world construction tips every week. Let's build better together.